Hey, it's Shay here, and in this video, I'm about to show you what I usually only show my students, and that's a campaign making up to $700 a day. I really enjoy showing my students campaigns like this because it highly motivates them to go out there and create their own online money making campaigns as well. And since you clicked on my video here, that really tells me that you are trying to do the same thing. And that's great to see, and I know I can help you do it, as I've already done for many of my students already. So let me just show you this thing right now. As you can see, I'm just in one of the networks that I use to make this money online. And this is where one of the campaigns I have running, and this is exactly what I actually just showed my students about a week ago, what I'm actually doing with this campaign behind the scenes. Now, I'm just going to show you the reports, the front end here, and show you the earnings of what this thing is doing. But if you are a student, I'm not only going to show you the front end and the earnings of a campaign, I'm going to show you the back end, alright, the behind the scenes setup, how to get the traffic, how to point it to the network to set up your pages, and everything else that you need to do to make a consistent online money making campaign like this work for yourself. So let's just jump in. At the moment, it's actually just on last month. I'm just showing the 30 days for last month, and I just wanted to show that just to see, so you can see how it started off. Alright, so we hit around 6,600 or so with this campaign. And again, this is just one of my campaigns. I have more than 5 at this point, alright, with different networks I mean. But you know, when I add all these up, it makes an awesome, consistent monthly income. So some pretty awesome days though, last month, 287, $400 days, 300, 200, 200, 300, 300, 630 even, that was on the 14th. So just again, this is last month in September, more 200, $289 days, basically 300, 300. All right, so I just want to go up right here and change to, let's go to October, and we'll go to today. Today's the 19th of October, so I'll just put it right there on today so far. So this one in September we did a bit over 6,600, and I just need to get this date right. Still had it on September. Need to go to the next month, which is October 19. Okay, so now we're good. Submit that. All right. So again, you can see in the graphs here. So revenue. This is the traffic I'm sending, visitors, clicks, and revenue per click. And revenue per click, that's pretty rare, something you probably haven't heard of perhaps. And you know what, it's a shame more people don't know about it, because it's very easy to make money when you're getting paid for clicks. I'm not going to go into that in too much depth right now in this video. That's not what this is for. But you know what, if you do want to know more about it and how I'm doing this, you certainly can. I'm just going to go through this first. I'm going to show you what you can do to get access. But as you can see, we're 19 days into the next month, and we're already beating last month with just this campaign alone in this one network. Again, I use many other networks. You'll even see other networks that I use in other videos here as well on my channel. But again, just some of the numbers: 250, $400 days, 400, 600 again, 300, 300, 650, 400, 389, 350, 420, 586, and there's $708 in a day, and today so far $514. And just so you know, we're halfway through today. Okay, it's just around lunchtime, so I'm really expecting this one to creep up again into the 700s at least. So, as I said just before, if you want to know how I'm doing this and much more, I can show you, but only if you are serious. It's not like I've got all the time in the world. I'm not a robot. I'm a real person, but I have already showed all of my students how to do what I do. And I know I can do the same for you. Again, if you are serious, all you have to do is take action right now. And the first thing to do is to find the description right now and click the link at the top of the description. I've just put a quick bit.ly link right there so you can quickly just get over to my site. So just click that link right at the top of the description. Then as soon as you're on my site, all you have to do is enter in your email address, your best email, type it in, enter it in, and I'm just going to go to my site as well. So I'm on my site right here, as you can see. So just enter in your email address right here, then just click the Get Instant Access button. That's going to get you instant access to everything I'm doing. And there's just one more final thing to do, and that is just to check your email. Okay, your inbox, go look for my welcome email right now. It should be there shortly as soon as you've clicked the Get Instant Access button. In that welcome email, I'm going to be showing you some of my secrets. I'm going to be telling you the information you need to know right now to get started. So go do that right now. And if you have any questions, just reply to my welcome email. That goes directly back to me, and I'll reply to you. So go do it now while I still have this open. Thanks again for watching my video here, and I'll work with you soon.